Welcome back to Motor Vision, your go-to channel for everything on wheels. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest rides, reviews, and auto news from around the globe. Today we're diving into the 2025 Ford Maverick, a compact truck that's been making big waves in the automotive world. When Ford first introduced the Maverick back in 2022, it completely reshaped the compact pickup segment. It gave buyers an affordable, fuel-efficient, and versatile alternative to larger, more expensive trucks. Fast forward to 2025, and the Maverick is back with a few exciting updates that continue to push the envelope while staying true to what made it such a hit in the first place. Right off the bat, the 2025 Maverick retains its core identity as a small but mighty pickup. It's built on the same unibody platform shared with the Ford Escape and Bronco Sport, which means it drives more like an SUV than a traditional body-on-frame truck. For city drivers or those who don't need massive towing capabilities, this is a game changer. Ford has kept the base hybrid powertrain, a 2.5-liter Atkinson cycle inline-4 paired with an electric motor, for a combined output of around 191 horsepower. This hybrid setup remains front-wheel drive only and is paired with a continuously variable transmission. It's not just about saving gas, although it does an excellent job at that. Expect MPG figures close to 40 in the city, but it's also about offering a smooth and responsive drive. For those wanting a little more punch, the 2025 Maverick also continues with the 2.0-liter EcoBoost turbocharged engine, delivering a solid 250 horsepower and 277 lb-ft of torque. With optional all-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic transmission, this version is perfect for those who need extra capability for towing or mild off-roading. Speaking of towing, the Maverick can haul up to 4,000 pounds when properly equipped, which is impressive for its size. On the outside, Ford has kept the Maverick's design clean and functional, with some subtle updates for 2025. There's a slightly refreshed front grille, updated LED lighting elements, and a few new wheel options. It's still instantly recognizable as a Maverick, but now feels just a bit sharper and more refined. The truck bed remains a strong point. At 4.5 feet long, it's compact, but cleverly designed with built-in storage compartments, tie-downs, and the optional 110-volt outlet. Ford's FlexBed system also gives you the flexibility to create dividers or even add bike racks and other custom setups, making it incredibly practical for weekend warriors and DIYers. Inside the cabin, Ford has made some smart upgrades. Materials feel more refined, with new color options and trims that give the interior a more premium vibe without losing the Maverick's budget-friendly appeal. The infotainment system gets a notable boost with a standard 8-inch touchscreen now featuring Ford's latest Sync 4 software. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included, and higher trims come with a larger screen and upgraded audio system. One of the more interesting changes for 2025 is in the tech and safety department. Ford has expanded its suite of driver assistance features across more trims. Even the base model now comes with Ford Co-Pilot 360, which includes automatic, emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and a rear-view camera. Higher trims add adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and even a 360-degree camera system, making this little truck feel like a much more expensive ride. There's also a new Tremor package for those who want more off-road capability. It includes a lifted suspension, all-terrain tires, skid plates, and an advanced twin-clutch rear drive unit with a differential lock. While it's not a hardcore off-roader like the Ranger Raptor, it definitely adds some rugged appeal and expanded functionality for light trail use. Pricing remains one of the Maverick's strongest selling points. With the hybrid model starting just above $25,000, it's still one of the most affordable trucks on the market. Even fully loaded versions with AWD and premium features rarely exceed $38,000, which is a refreshing contrast to many trucks today that easily push past the $50,000 mark. So, who is the 2025 Ford Maverick for? It's ideal for urban dwellers, young professionals, small business owners, or anyone who needs a capable truck without the size and fuel costs of a full-size pickup. It's also a great second vehicle for families who want utility without sacrificing daily drivability. To sum it up, the 2025 Maverick doesn't reinvent the wheel, but it fine-tunes an already winning formula. With smart updates, practical features, and unbeatable value, Ford continues to show that a small truck can make a big impact. Thanks for watching this review on Motor Vision. If you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up and drop a comment below. Let us know what you think of the new Maverick or what truck you'd like us to cover next. And as always, subscribe for more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and all things automotive. See you in the next video.